Ah, horse shit!
Hey guys, Danfield, Mr. Grey, Dandalf the Grey. Just a very small video probably, because I saw a video where an investigation team went to Cloud Manor. Cloud Manor is like this old style manor in Carleon, I think it is. And it made me think of a video of mine I made about 6 years ago, I think it was, where I did an urban explore in the same place. And I started watching it this morning. I was watching it, I thought, what's that? And I think it's a good time to talk about the power of pareidolia. Now, for those who don't know, pareidolia is basically you see things in patterns or degradation of footage. You see things which look like something, but they're actually not what you think they are. If you know what I mean. But pareidolia, you know, you can see faces in things which are not faces. You can see patterns on the wall which look like a ghostly image, but it's just you know, cracked paint or whatever. But I was going through my video this morning now, when I did an urban explore, like I said, about 6 years ago in this old manor, which we're going to watch. And I'm not going to point it out yet, but I guarantee, if this was sent to a top 5, now don't do it, but if this video was sent to a top 5 ghost channel, it would be up there. As, what could this be? We're going to watch first, right? This is my video. This is where I filmed a couple of years back of this old manor. It was a brilliant place, by the way, when I used to do urban exploring. Now you're going to come on a part.
Looking down by you, in case you haven't noticed.
In case you haven't noticed, that's me speaking. But we're going to come to a part now, right? I'm just going to let it play. And then I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to pause the video now, but I'm going to pause the video after this little section, and I want you to comment first what you think you've seen, right? Get ready. Get ready.
Stairs collapsed. Hang on, I get my other torch. I've still got my new, my small torch, but I bought a new one now.
Look how young and ginger I was back then. Did you see it?
By you, in case you haven't noticed. Stairs collapsed. Hang on, I get my other torch.
Basically, this is a perfect example of pareidolia, which I only just, when I was watching it, just thought, oh shit, what is that? And then I realised what it is. So I'm going to show the clip again. I'm going to do it in my best top 5 paranormal voice. Ready? Renowned paranormal investigator, World of Mr. Grey, was exploring an old manor from the 1930s. But what he saw next chilled him to his spine. In the distance, you can see a shadow dude lurking back and forth the doorway, just lurking in the background. No one knows what this manor was once used for. Some say it was used as a worship place to cats and dogs. Especially boxer dogs, because they were so cute. But what do you think World of Mr. Grey caught in this haunted manor? Was it a creepy shadow dude lurking in the distance? Or was it something else? You decide. Well, that was a terrible impression. It's early. I haven't got my accent voiced on today, but it's interesting. The footage you just saw. When I watched it this morning, I thought, what the hell is that? And I realised quickly that is basically that right there. A little shadow dude in the background, look. Walking back and forth the doorway. That is a perfect example It's not. I mean, it's technically not pareidolia. It's a perspective thing. Right, I'm moving the camera, look. And the shadow dude through the doorway is moving back and forth. And then starts to move to the left. And then to the right. This is a perfect example of why a lot of clips get misconstrued. Is that the word? I don't know. Misinterpreted. Misinterpreted. I don't even know what I'm saying. But that's why a lot of these ghostly videos online, not just top 5s, or online in general, get mistaken for shadow dudes and ghosts. It's usually either a perspective thing, a movement of the camera compared to the perspective. You know, something really close to the camera when you move the camera is going to look obvious. But something in the distance, when you pan in, it's going to make the object in the background move ever so slightly. But, you know, because it was basically a thing hanging inside the manor and, you know, in darkness. But to the video, it looks like it's a shadow dude through the hallway out to the other part of the outside, moving back and forth the doorway. It's a perfect example of a lot of the mistakes top 5 channels, not just top 5, obviously they get sent this footage in, but it's a perfect example of why a lot of people mistake ghostly happenings on a video because they see like a couple of seconds of footage and they're not quite sure what's going on. I just thought it was interesting that I only saw that this morning on my video, which I made 6 years ago. I thought, oh, that's interesting. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think it was just a simple case of pareidolia in my video? Or did I genuinely capture a shadow dude stalking me outside the manor? Because apparently it's haunted, but I didn't see anything when I was there. It's just a cool place. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, it was a really short video. I'm going to have another video out later on, hopefully. Fingers crossed. And yeah, thanks for watching. And bye for now.